All right, let's see how this is going to turn out. So we had a big piece of chuck shoulder roast. Let's see right here, about three. Oh, come on now. A little over, almost 4 pounds actually, if it comes out. So I added, I don't know, a little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of lard, as you can see here, just some safe bacon fat, baby carrots, 4 or 5 stalks of celery, half an onion, the rest are over there, a little bit of sweet red, a little bit of wine, some oregano, rosemary, garlic powder, some salt, black pepper, 275 around there, 275. We'll put it in for about 3 hours and we'll see how it goes. And we'll cover it as well with some aluminum. Oh, there we go. There's the focus. All right, take some yams and potatoes. All right, let's throw in just the potatoes. They're a little harder for about 2 minutes. Oh boy. Woo. All right. And then we'll wait 2 minutes to boiling water with a little bit of salt. And we'll wait 2 minutes. All right, 2 minutes is up. Let's put the yams, because they're a little softer. They don't need as much time. Oh boy. Let's see here. Whoa. And there we go. We'll be back in 10 minutes. Well, no. So in the meantime, we need to put a little bit of butter, cream, and milk into this. Maybe half and half liquid, and then maybe a tablespoon. Oh, see, look at that. A tablespoon or more. And let's put this in the microwave. You can heat it on the countertop as well over here, but it's easier in here. Put it in for, I don't know, about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, who knows. We'll be right back. All right, so 10 minutes is up, and what we're going to be doing is putting some Parmesan cheese, salt, garlic, pepper, whatever you want, and of course this flowed over, but we will be adding the butter, cream milk. You can even put lard in it. It tastes real good. You put it in here like that. Now the oven is off, but it's still kind of hot, so it might start boiling. That's perfectly fine. You don't want to immediately just put this in because it's going to splatter everywhere. You want to kind of manually press it like this. And once it's mixed enough, you can turn the automatic blender on. All right. That's basically it. If it's a little too solid, you can add a little bit of milk or whatever else in it if this is not enough. Alright, so this is the big reveal. I just took it out of the oven. You can see some steam, hopefully, right there. I have not seen what's inside. It's been 3 hours. It's been 3 hours. We put this in at, what, 7:30? I actually went swimming and all that, and 3 hours later, mashed potatoes done. Let's see what it looks like, and hopefully I don't burn myself with the... Whoop. Oh, wow, look at that. What a beauty. Let's look inside. I think that looks great. So that's basically it. I'll probably do another video of me eating it, but that's it. Alright, so I just took a bite of everything. The carrots, the onions, the mashed potatoes, the celery. See, that's celery right there. And, of course, the shoulder roast or whatever it is. And boy, it's really good. You know, I usually make the shoulder roast or chuck roast or something. I what do you call it, saute it, or not fry, but saute it for 5 minutes on each side. And then I put it in some tomato sauce or tomato juice, cover it all the way up, right, and simmer for 3-4 hours. I generally don't do it in the oven, but I did a brisket, kind of, what do you call it, brown sugar, sweet kind of brisket thing for Thanksgiving. And hey, we can do this in the oven too. It's basically the same thing. It's really good. I like it. So it's really good, and that's it.